Welcome to this episode of Open House. I'm your designer, Kelvin, from the local project. This is a 5-room HDB apartment. I used 3 elements, wood, cement, and marble, to create this very earthly tone contemporary home design. The development process was very smooth because the homeowner gave me the freedom to design the house, and all the material selection was done by me, and there isn't any changes at all. This is a family of 4, so I want this house to be more spacious, bright and airy for them to be able to roam around to play. So what I did was by keeping all the built-in cabinets to one side of the wall that comes with shoe cabinets, display cabinet, TV console and the TV feature wall. So I hacked down the L-shaped wall to have an open concept kitchen to let it flow into the living room design. This open concept contemporary design kitchen, what I used was actually black laminates, Vulcan worktop, subway tiles, and dark wood. The another unique feature that I did for this house was actually by not using these downlights. So I created 2 LED strips in the false ceiling to create this linear and modern look. The highlight of the living room is actually this TV feature wall. The laminate actually comes in the vertical veins, but I wanted to create something different, so I lay the laminate in a different design which comes in the fishbone. So in order to achieve this look, I have to use more laminates, so the outcome is actually beautiful. The challenge that I face in this apartment actually is the master bedroom, because the master bedroom is quite small and the owner doesn't want me to hack down the wall in the bedroom to expand the master room. So I have to make do with the actual size, and then to fit in the L-shaped wardrobes, a display cabinet for her bags, a bedhead feature, and they have a queen size bed. The master bedroom is actually quite small. What I did was to install a very huge mirror by the entrance of the wall. So to give this optical illusion of making the space look bigger.